call me Miss Susan. So nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you, Miss Susan.
Okay, who are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, thank you for the response to that. So now before we start, okay, wait a minute. So who is absent today?
Luis.
Okay, thank you for the response to that. So now before we begin our lesson, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Finish. Okay, now before we dive into the materials, we will do fun activities. So we will singing and dancing together before we dive into the materials. So please pay attention to me, and I will give you the example for the activity. Okay, so now I will start. Learning and growing every day. Learning and growing every day. It's okay to make mistakes. I do my best each day. I'm learning and growing every day. Do you remember, guys? Yes. Okay, so I will give you the example once again. I'm learning and growing every day.
I'm learning and growing every day.
It's okay to make mistakes. I do my best each day.
I'm learning and growing every day.
Okay, but I want to make this activity. I mean, like we will singing and dancing. It is faster and more faster. For example, like maybe the beginning will be the learning and growing every day, and then you'll be learning and growing every day. Got it, everyone? Okay, so I think I need two volunteers in here. So maybe two of you want to help me. Please raise your hand. Okay, so now I will choose two of you to help me in here. So please come in, Yuda and Indana. So please come.
Ya,
Come on, guys.
come on guys, be prepared. Miss Susan is calling. Miss Susan is calling. Come forward, guys. Let's dance and singing.
Come in, Indana, please.
Dana, please come forward.
Okay, so this activity is about we giving a positive affirmation for our body. So now invite you to stand up. So we will practice it together.
Miss Susan.
Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, and 3.
I'm learning and growing every day. I'm learning and growing every day.
It's okay to make mistakes. I do my best each day.
I'm learning and growing every day. I'm learning and growing every day. I'm learning and growing every day.
It's okay to make mistakes.
I do my best each day. I'm learning and growing every day. I'm learning and growing every day. I'm learning and growing every day. It's okay to make mistakes. I do my best each day. I'm learning and growing every day.
Okay, stop. Okay, thank you, everyone. Okay, thank you, Indana and Yuda, for helping me. So now, today we will learn about basic technique of singing in unison. So I believe maybe all of you really like to sing. So maybe you can mention any kinds of song, guys. Pop, and then rock, and then R&B. Okay. Okay, now I want you to watching two videos from YouTube. So please pay attention to the video. Okay, so now I want you to take a piece of paper. So please write down the answer for the three questions in there. So I will give you 5 minutes. Is it enough, guys?
Enough, Miss.
Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to write down your answer. So you can start right now. Okay, finish. So now please collect your answer, guys. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, so before I explain the materials for you, so now I will divide you into the several groups. So Kayla till Shiva will be group 1, and then Rizka, Yuda, Nira, and Lisa and Liza will be group 2, and then Haidar, Rahma, and Noval will be group 3, and then Intan, Faza and Yasmin will be group 4. Now, please make a circle, guys. Okay, pay attention, please.
Yes, Miss.
And now I'm gonna to explain the materials first. So for the first material, so I would like to explain about the singing in unison. So actually, singing is activity that we can do individually, right? But in this case, we will do a singing in groups, but with the same melody. Okay, so we know that there are several types of song that we can sing in singing in unison, right? But in this case, we would like to sing singing in unison through the traditional song. So, do you know any kinds of traditional song, guys?
Yes.
Can you mention it?
The Mano Dadali.
Mano Dadali.
Dari ler. Dari ler.
Where is from? Mano Dadali from?
Sunda. Iya Sunda. Ya Barat.
Okay, so maybe any other else?
Dari ler.
Bunga Jumpa.
Bunga Jumpa. And then what else? Lelo Lendo. Kicir Kicir.
Ambar-ambar pisang. Gundul pacul.
Okay, so I agree with you guys. Our country have many kinds of traditional songs like dari Sabang sampai Merauke, Akuse, Ampar-ampar pisang, and so on. Okay, now I'm gonna to explain about breathing techniques. So there are 3 types of breathing techniques. So for the first one is chest breathing or pernapasan dada. And then for the second one is abdominal breathing or pernapasan perut. And then for the third one is diaphragmatic breathing. Okay, now I'm going to explain about the first types of breathing techniques. Is it the chest breathing or pernapasan dada? So pernapasan dada it's when we feeling the air into our lung, upper lung. So actually this kind of the breathing techniques can produce the low voices. I believe that we often practice this kind of breathing techniques. Maybe when we are facing unexpected things, or maybe when we feeling disappointed or so on, or when we are feeling tired. Maybe we will do like.
Yes, Miss.
So actually, you practice the chest breathing, guys. So when you practice the chest breathing, you will upper your shoulder when you inhale, and then you will when you exhale, your shoulder will be down. Okay, now we're gonna to practice chest breathing with song Ampar-ampar pisang. So do you know Ampar-ampar pisang song?
Yes.
Okay, so this song is from South Kalimantan. So now I invite you guys to stand up. So we will practice it together.
Oke, Miss.
Okay. So the notes or the voice, it should be ampar-ampar pisang, ampar-ampar pisang, ampar-ampar pisang. Come on, ampar-ampar
pisang,
ampar-ampar pisang,
ampar-ampar pisang, Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Ambar-ambar pisang, pisangku belum masak. Masak sebiji di gunung bari-bari. Mangga lepok, masak kayu bengkok. Bengkok dimakan api, apinya camcurukan. Bengkok dimakan api, apinya camcurukan. Nama biskutum bikin pidawan. Nama biskutum bikin
Once
pidawan.
again.
Ambar pisang, pisangku belum masak. Masak sebiji di gunung bari-bari. Mangga lepok, batang kayu bengkok. Bengkok dimakan api, apinya camcurukan. Bengkok dimakan api, apinya camcurukan. Nama biskutum bikin pidawan. Nama biskutum bikin pidawan.
Thank you guys for everyone. Okay, so can you feel it, the practice of chest breathing?
Yes, of course,
The
Miss.
law of voices?
Yes.
Okay, so good job everyone. Okay, next we're gonna I'm gonna explain about the abdominal breathing. So abdominal breathing is when we feeling the air into our tongue or our stomach, and then actually this kind of breathing can produce the louder voices. Okay, so for the chest breathing, we can produce the low voices. So for the abdominal breathing, we can produce the louder voices. I believe that we often practicing the abdominal breathing in our daily life. For example, like when you are smelling any kinds of food or maybe flower, you will do an activity like you don't need to upper your shoulder when you smell something. So maybe you can practice it now, student. Maybe you can smelling the smell in our room.
Yes.
You don't need to upper your shoulder, right? Okay. So now I invite you to stand up again, and we would like to practice the abdominal breathing through the ampar pisang song again. So please stand up again, guys.
Yes, Miss, of course. I'm ready.
Okay, so the voice or the note, it must be ampar pisang. It more powerful. Okay? Ampar pisang. Ampar pisang.
Ampar pisang. Ampar pisang. Ampar pisang.
Are you ready, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Ampar pisang, pisangku belum masak. Masak sebiji di gunung bari-bari. Mangga lepok, batang kayu bengkok. Bengkok dimakan api, apinya camcurukan. Bengkok dimakan api, apinya camcurukan. Nama biskutum bikin pidawan. Nama biskutum bikin pidawan.
Okay, so you can sit down, guys. Okay, so I hope you can feel the differences between the chest breathing and the abdominal breathing. Okay, next, we're going to practice the diaphragmatic breathing also. But before that, I will explain for you. So the diaphragmatic breathing is when we are feeling the air into we can feel our muscle of our diaphragmatic. So I recommend this kind of breathing technique is because when you use the breathing, the diaphragmatic breathing, we can produce the good voices and we can produce the long breath, so it can enstable our voices. So now, please stand up again. And we would like to practice the diaphragmatic breathing with the Ampar Pisang
Song
song.
again. Yes, Miss. We're always ready.
Okay, so before that, can you feel your muscle of diaphragm, like your diaphragmatic?
Yeah.
Maybe you can put your hand in here, and then you can start to breathe in. Inhale.
Feels so smooth.
Exhale. Is it different, right? When your when in here is bigger and smaller.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we need to practice it right now, student. So the voice or the note it must be Ambar pisang, pisangku baru masa sadiki. Got it? Okay. Ambar pisang, ambar pisang, ambar pisang, ambar pisang. Got it?
Got it, Miss.
Okay. 1, 2, and 3.
Ambar pisang, pisangku baru masak. Masa sebiji di hurung dari mangga repot, masak kayu bengkok, bengkok dimakan api, apinya camcurupan, bengkok dimakan api, apinya camcurupan. Nama gadis kutung dikirim bidawang, nama gadis kutung dikirim bidawang.
Good job, everyone. Nice job, guys. Okay, so I hope you can feel the differences between the three breathing techniques, guys. So now I would like to explain for you about the vocal techniques. So there are 3 things in here. So for the first one is the articulation, and then for the second one is the phrasing, and then for the third one is the intonation. So for the first one is articulation. So what actually articulation is? So articulation means that the way of pronouncing vowel and the consonants. So do you know vowel, guys? Can you mention it? Okay, good job, everyone. So for the next one is the consonant. So the consonant it will be heard clearly at the beginning and at the end of the word that when we singing. So we cannot to sing like we cannot do that, right? So we must to sing like ambar pisang, so our listener can hear clearly our voices. Got it, everyone?
Got it. Open my mouth.
Okay, next is phrasing. So phrasing is a grouping when we are singing. So for example, in the Ampar Pisang song, we cannot sing into Ampar pisang, pisang ku baru masak, masa sadiki di hurung bari mangga lepok. We cannot to sing like that. We must be sing like Ampar pisang, stop. Pisang ku baru masak, stop. Masa sadiki di hurung bari. So the song, I believe that every song has a meaning, right?
Yes.
So we cannot do changings like this. Okay, so for the next one is intonation. So intonation is pitch accuracy when we singing. So we cannot sing like ampar pisang, pisang the song, but remember this is traditional song. You cannot to modify it like this. So okay, let's see. We will take another example. Maybe gudul paco. Do you know gudul paco?
Of course, Miss.
Okay, so we cannot sing like. But we must sing like. Okay, get it, everyone?
I see.
Okay, so there are two factors that influence the intonation. So for the first one is breathing. So can you mention the three types of breathing, guys?
Just
breathing and then abdominal
diaphragm.
breathing, and then for the third one. Okay, good job, everyone. Okay, for the second one is articulation. Okay, so after this point, do you have any question?
No.
Okay. Okay, now because after at the beginning of the meeting, we have to you will have the practice performance. So now I want you to choose one song with your partner, with your group. So please discuss with your group. So you will choose one song. So the song it will be the traditional song. So I will give you 2 minutes. Is it enough, guys? Yeah.
Really enough, Miss.
Okay. So now can you can discuss with your partner. So you can start right now. Finish, guys? Finish. Have you finished, guys? Okay, group one. What kinds of songs?
A traditional song, sorry, Kayla.
You cannot to choose Kicomania. No, that and then group two? Not yet. And then group three?
Lir ilir.
Group 11.
Same.
Group three?
Oh, Gambang Sule.
Group four? How about group two? Okay, student, pay attention, please.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, now I will give you 5 minutes to practice your song together with your partner. So please make a circle, guys. You can use this time to practice this song. So I will give you 5 minutes. Is it enough? Okay. You can start right now. Come on, student, you will have to share like that. Just practice with your partner.
Tahu dah. Coba dah.
Aku masih jauh.
Iya lah, banyak.
Kamu lama di sekolah?
Okay, have you finished, student?
Yes.
Okay, I will give you 2 minutes again. Go ahead.
Nggak kok lebih dulu.
Okay, so I think that's enough, guys. So now
Classmates. Mate.
Attention please.
Mate.
Okay, now I want you to have a planning with your partner, with your group. When do you plan to conduct your practice session? So I will give you 2 weeks. Is it enough, guys?
Oh, 2 days.
Next week.
2 days.
4 weeks.
Okay, 2 weeks, yeah. Okay, so now you can plan with your groups. So where and when you will conduct to practice your practice session, and maybe you will practice them twice in week. So is it up to you guys? So now I will give you 2 minutes to discuss with your partner. Is it enough, guys?
Really enough.
Okay, you can start right now.
2 weeks. 2 weeks or 2 days is enough for me. Okay. 2 days is enough, right?
Iya.
Ya, kita kan opera banget. Opera banget.
Masuk teman-teman gitu tuh.
Okay, have you done everyone?
Cuma kita coba.
So now I'd like to explain about the practice report. So for the first holder, so you have a group member. So you should to write down your member that is a present or absent when you are have a practice together. So for the second one is the timings. And then for the next one is the activity. So for the next one is the photo. So you can take a picture and then you can print out your picture. You can put in there. So for the next one is my signature. Okay. After this one, do you have any questions, student?
No.
Okay. Good job, everyone. Okay, now I'm going to explain about the project assessment criteria. So there are 4 aspects. So I'm going to assess for your project performance. So for the first one is the mastery of reading and vocal techniques. It above 30%. And then for the second one is unity and harmony in unison singing. It above the 30%. And then for the next one is practice progress report. It is above the 20%. And then for the last one is teamwork and collaboration. So it is above 20%. So after this point, do you have any questions, student? Okay, thank you, student. Okay, now because in the beginning of the meeting I asked you to take your prior knowledge. So now, please write down the answer of this question. I want to know your understanding after I deliver the materials about the singing in unison. So I will give you 5 minutes. Is it enough, guys?
Yes, enough.
Please take a piece of paper and you can write down your answer right now.
Okay, miss.
Have you finished, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now you can collect your answer. Okay, thank you, student. Okay, so I think that's all for today. So I hope you can gain new knowledge and also you can understanding what materials that I was deliver for you guys. So remember when you're singing, so make sure your body is relaxed. So I mean, like if you think that the kinds of breathing you will practice in your singing, actually I'm sure that you're not relaxed in singing. So it can influence your voices when you sing, guys. Okay, so before we end our lesson, let's pray together. Right, finish. Okay, thank you for attention, guys. So See you next week. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Susan.